Are you tired of browsing the internet with no privacy? Well, I have the product for you. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video, we have the DeeperConnect SE Decentralized VPN Router for Home. Finally, we have an all-in-one device that connects you to the VPN without you having to do anything. This device is plug and play. You just connect it, and then you always have a VPN connection wherever you need it. Here's the device right here. There's also a Wi-Fi dongle that I'll be showing you as well. You don't have to use the Wi-Fi dongle if you don't want to, but if you do want to connect wirelessly to the unit, you will need that. So the unit itself, once I get it out of its box here, has all kinds of features, which I'll explain here. Lifetime free decentralized VPN, built-in ad blocker, block all your pop-up ads, banner ads, and YouTube ads, 7-layer enterprise-grade cybersecurity, and an app relocator that allows you to access movies and music from around the world effortlessly. Moving on to see what else we have in the box here. And right away we have an Ethernet cable, which is very nice, comes included. And then our power adapter as well. USB-C, so that is great. Next up we have our Wi-Fi dongle that would just go right into the USB port, and you can use that to connect to the device wirelessly. I'll show that later on in the video. Also, sold separately, you can purchase the cooling stand here. It's used to cool the device if you choose to. Alright, so there's two ways to set up. Virtual wire mode will be the first way, where you just connect from your modem, and then the output will go directly into your router or switch, and then anything that plugs into that will have VPN all the time. Second way is router mode. This is where you plug directly into your all-in-one modem router, and then use your Wi-Fi dongle to connect, or use the output, as I'm doing here, to go directly into a device of your choice. Either way works just fine. So now we're going to power on. I'm using the second way, which is router mode. So we're just going to turn the device on, and you need to wait about 2 to 3 minutes for the green light to start flashing. You see that green light at the bottom flashing? Now we're ready to connect to the internet. So first thing you want to do, I'm connecting to the Wi-Fi, is just connect to Deeper Wi-Fi and click join. After you do that, just type in 34.34.34.34 into the browser, and you will get a cool splash page. Here, you're just going to type in the username and password, which is, it would let you know what it is in the manual. And then log in for the first time, and you can change that password as well. This is the beautiful splash page that you get. It just gives you all your information. I'm not going to go through everything, but you see dashboard, modes, tunnel, routing, DPN mode, more stuff than I would ever use. You can just see all your IP addresses, domain configs, app relocator. You got your ads blocker. You got your parental controls, your security settings, mining settings, the device settings, Wi-Fi sharing, rest desk, everything you will possibly need. But you also can just go directly to a website and just start browsing. You don't even have to mess with any of the settings. So I'm just going to go to one website or two just to see if it works. So let's go to netflix.com. Loads up perfectly fine. So if you guys want an all-in-one VPN device where you don't have to mess with anything and it's just plug and play, the DeeperConnect SE is for you. I'll see you on the next video.